Welcome to the channel. Open loop configuration of the operational amplifier is given. And what is given in the problem, the input is at inverting terminal, whereas non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Open loop gain of the operational amplifier is ideally infinity. We have to find out the output nature if the input is a sine wave. Here I am drawing simply sinusoidal signal. With respect to time, we are taking this as sinusoidal signal. We have to find out the output nature. Voltage at non-inverting terminal is 0 volt, and this is the, as I say, the reference voltage, in which is at positive terminal. I mean to say non-inverting terminal. 0 volt is the reference voltage, and we have to find out the nature of output waveform. What happens if input is at inverting terminal? Op-amp is in open loop configuration. During positive half cycle, if the input is above 0 volt, 0 volt is the reference voltage which is at non-inverting terminal, and if the input voltage is above the 0 volt, what will be the output at output node? What will be the nature of the waveform at output? Since the input is inverting terminal, we are getting negative square wave, and this voltage is nothing but this voltage is nothing but minus V saturation, and this saturation voltage is approximately equal to the supply voltage because of high gain in the open loop configuration of op-amp, and input is at inverting terminal. So we are getting the negative square wave if input is positive, 180 degree shift when we apply the input at inverting terminal, and if the input is negative sinusoidal signal, I mean to say during negative half cycle, if the reference voltage is 0 and the sinusoidal input is below the reference voltage, input is at inverting terminals, we are getting positive square wave. And again for positive half cycle, we are getting negative square wave, and this voltage is plus V saturation, and this plus V saturation, as I said, is approximately equal to VDD, is approximately equal to supply voltage. So if the input is sinusoidal, and this sinusoidal we are applying at inverting terminal, and if there is open loop configuration of operational amplifier, so we are getting the square wave at output, but the phase shift is 180 degree since input is applied at inverting terminal. What is the answer of this question? That is square wave. So if input is sine wave at inverting terminal, so what we are expecting at output in the open loop configuration of op-amp, output is square wave. So option D is right. This is the solution of this problem. Thank you.